Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Berteloot from Nytro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is Wednesday, May 14th, 2025. Here is what we are covering. Audible is capitalizing on social media platforms and book communities like Book Talk to foster connections with book enthusiasts, enhancing their brand affinity. At Adweek's Social Media Week, Rosina Shilawala, Audible's global head of social media, highlighted their strategy of using authenticity, humor, and irreverence to engage fans. With listeners spending substantial time on their content, Audible recorded 5.4 billion listening hours in 2024. They leverage platforms to introduce audiobooks to Gen Z, with 74% discovering content via social media. From book trends to cyber threats, the Chinese-speaking hacker group Ammit has broadened its targets beyond Taiwanese drone manufacturers, now affecting industries across South Korea and China, according to a report by Trend Micro. Initially focused on military and satellite-related entities, the group's campaign has expanded to include sectors such as heavy industry, media, technology, and healthcare. Utilizing supply chain attacks, Ammit has compromised software vendors and service providers to infiltrate high-value downstream targets. The group has employed customized tools like VenFR-PC for covert operations, aiming to bolster China's technological and military capabilities amidst growing global tensions, particularly in emerging drone and autonomous weapon technologies. Speaking of emerging tech, in a strategic move, popular legal AI tool Harvey has shifted to utilize foundation models from Anthropic and Google beyond their previous reliance solely on OpenAI's technology. Harvey, an OpenAI startup fund-backed company, emphasizes this transition as an expansion of options rather than abandonment. The decision follows Harvey's internal benchmarks indicating diverse models excel in varying legal tasks. This diversification highlights a competitive landscape where Anthropic and Google secure a significant win, challenging OpenAI to prove its prowess amidst evolving market dynamics. Harvey's valuation reportedly reached $3 billion in February. Shifting gears to productivity tools, Notion has introduced new AI features, potentially justifying an increase in their subscription costs. These innovations aim to boost productivity with tools like AI meeting notes, which transcribe, summarize, and highlight essential meeting points, seamlessly integrating within the Notion workspace. Enterprise Search simplifies locating information across apps like Slack and Gmail. Additionally, Notion's Research Mode drafts detailed documents using integrated AI models such as OpenAI GPT 4.1. From workplace tools to mind-controlled tech, Synchron has officially become the first brain-computer interface (BCI) company to natively integrate with Apple devices, thanks to Apple's new BCI Human Interface Device Protocol. This development enables users with motor impairments to interact with iPhones, iPads, and the Apple Vision Pro via thoughts alone, eliminating the need for voice or physical input. The technology employs Synchron's Stentrode, a device that captures brain signals for digital command conversion. Planned trials later this year aim to validate real-world applications. And back to Audible with a twist. Amazon's audiobook service, Audible, has announced a significant expansion in its production capabilities, enabling publishers to use AI for audiobook narration. This new service offers over 100 AI-generated voices across languages, including English, Spanish, French, and Italian. Audible CEO Bob Kerrigan described the move as a key opportunity to broaden audiobook availability globally. Publishers can choose from having Audible manage the entire production or opting for a self-service process. Additionally, an AI translation service beta will be launched later this year.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.